All right, this is going to be an unboxing video of the Kappa KVE58B. This is their 58-liter top box for scooters. Kappa is another brand from Givi. This is their cheaper line of top boxes or cases. But according to my research, really it's the same thing. It's just different branding. I got this from eBay for around $430 plus taxes. So compared to the Givi was about $500, so about $70 cheaper, or you can say 20% or so cheaper than the Givi. It takes the normal Givi mounts, so you can use those as well. There's also a Kappa branded one, but these come in quicker than the Kappa versions. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and measure this box for people who are interested with stuff like that, because some of y'all ship these things overseas or wherever you guys ship them. We have 15 by 26 by 22. Pretty big box, and I believe the weight. I don't remember the weight of this thing, but I'm sure we can Google that. I'm sorry, there it is. The weight is 24 pounds, or to be exact, 23.40 pounds. All right, let's go ahead and open this thing. My box cutter. The funny thing is, it says in the box, don't use a box cutter, but we're gonna use it. You gotta be, I'm sure it'll be fine. We're gonna cut up. There it is. Comes with your tour and ride, or invoice, I guess, packing slip. Set that aside. On the box here, you have another box. You got two sets of keys just taped on there. We're gonna set that aside. Looks like more packing. These things are packed pretty well. Empty box, styrofoam, and it's covered by foam. I'm gonna set the camera down so I can grab it. You don't have to use a box cutter now. Just gonna rip the packaging here. Don't really want to return this thing. Yes, I need it. Pretty hefty. All right. Box, K Venture sticker there. I'm gonna apply a pressure so it'll be on there more. Got a decal here at the front, little design plate so you can strap something on there. Same here. looks like rivets. Pretty sturdy actually. These are not rubber, they're made of plastic. Those are the sleeves. Robust lock. Looks like some weatherproofing here. Very basic weatherproofing. This is not made of rubber, just plastic. Turn it on. Really robust locks, man. No rivets. I don't see any scratches on here. No defects. No dents. Pretty good quality shipping. Let me set this down. Let me turn on the bottom. Here's the bottom side. I'm gonna go ahead and open it with the keys. Open it right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep. It's locked. I'm not even reading the manual. Matter of fact, I don't see the manual here. So all you do is pull over here once you've got the key turned. Just a simple latching system. There it is. That's kind of weird. The instructions are inside of the case. Probably better to stuck it outside of the case. Pads over here. That's the surface of it. Looks like rubber cushions for the bottom piece. Maybe. I'll read the instructions later on, but this is just a very basic unboxing. I'll set that aside. I'm gonna put the padding here at the bottom. Before it flies off, let's see what's going on. It's under several languages. You know, pretty basic stuff. I'm gonna go read that later on. They have this thing posted online as well, so if you guys are interested, it's very basic stuff. I mean, if you've used the top box before, it's the same thing. Basic operation, max load 10 kilograms or 22 pounds, volume 58 liters. There's the size. It'll fit 2 full face helmets. How to operate it. Probably should put the instructions outside the box so people can figure out how to operate it, how to mount it. Pretty good stuff. Simple. All right, let's go ahead and try to mount this thing. You know what? Before I mount it, let's go measure the insides. I know there's measurements here already. You can find it online, but it's all in centimeters. So this video, we're gonna show it in inches. So that's what most Americans use. Get my tape measure again. So length, we have usable room 21 inches with 15 inches. Usable height is at 9 inches. Alright, my instructions are just flying all over the place. Pretty windy afternoon in Houston, Texas. Here's the detail again, the inside. There's an accessory you can buy so you can mount a netting here, so you can have something that separates from the other luggage. You can put, you know, smaller items here and there, bigger items. That specific accessory is only $15 on eBay or $17 in Amazon. But let's see, the insides are pretty high quality here. But it's not as tough as a Pelican case, I would say. The plastics, they look like they're not as tough as Pelican case plastics. But as far as motorcycle traveling goes, this will do. Here's the rivets from the outside. Looks pretty tough, but I wouldn't mount anything too heavy on it. Alright. Let me see if I can figure this out. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna try to mount it on the Suzuki. See if I can place my camera here. Alright. Oh my gosh, hopefully I don't drop this GoPro. I have it mounted on the other scooter, right on the edge of the top box. Alright. There's that clack. Lock it in place. There it is. That's how I'm gonna tour with this scooter. Let me wipe it up a little bit so it looks good. So that's, oh, look at my mount, by the way. Ram mount. I actually ordered another one. I'm gonna put this one on the smaller scooter. Bought a bigger one, the XL version. Let me spread this thing so you can get the full view. So this is what the Suzuki 650 Bergman looks like with the case. Ooh, I'm short in breath. I have asthma. Looks good, right? It doesn't look way out of proportion because the Bergman's big. That's what it looks like. It looks like it fits with the, you know, it belongs to the motorcycle or scooter. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, it looks really good. I'm gonna put maybe reflectors here or, you know, decals, other stuff. But it looks really good. It doesn't look too big. It looks badass actually. So I much prefer that top box versus your traditional top boxes because you know, it's different. It's more masculine, I think. So it worked out fine. Now I'm probably gonna get the backrest for this thing. You know, so if my wife wants to ride with me, she can utilize that. And here it is, mounted on the Givi platform. Works just fine. You can get the Kappa version too if you want. Alright, and there's the unboxing of the Kappa KVE58B. B stands for black.